So that's it, right there. That's the wheel.
That's the wheel, huh?
Well, it's getting to the point now where kids, even some adults, have never seen a steam locomotive run. Now, steam locomotive is so animated because all the driving rods are outside and everything's moving. We just want to kind of pass on its heritage. It's a beautiful piece of mechanical, rust. So right now, so built in '42, after the war started, is very technologically advanced for today.
You got to know where you came from. There's a lot of things that were here before that helped build this country. If you look at diesel locomotives on trains, you won't understand how far we have come in the name of transportation by rail. There's a lot of different people that contribute to an operation like this. It's a big learning thing for everybody, all different types of people.
We want to bring it back to Nashville and let everybody else see it. We'll have a good time with it.
Well, here we are, old 576 now, about to let the whistle blow. Can you hear it now? Ooh! Rolling on into Music City, red hot and ready to go. There we go now, let her blow, boys. Now listen, 100 feet of black iron and steel, 16 tons of coal. Black smoke rolling from a red smokestack. I watch the yellow jacket roll. Here comes the Duchess. She's the queen of the Dixie Line. 576 fast as lightning. All the engineer needed was nerve. The yellow stripe looked like lightning bolts sliding in and out of the curve. Up the Duchess. She's the queen of the Dixie Line. Now listen, before the World War was raging, Uncle Sam put in a call. Yeah, boy. Said I need some mainline bustle. I got a whole lot of troops to haul. I need the Duchess. Of the Dixie Line. Putting on a show for the soldiers. Pick up old Roy Hiccup and the boys. Grand old life is on the railroad, but it's gonna be a joyful noise. Riding on the Duchess. She's the queen of the Dixie Line. Here she comes, boy. She's rolling in the Nashville red hot, buddy. Let's slow her on down.
So how do we connect with Nashville Steam, and what kind of events you got coming up for us to plug into?
Well, with COVID and everything going on, we can't have visitors in the shop right now, but we are planning some virtual fundraising events that are done online and virtually, so people can follow the restoration, connect through those, donate during those events as a ways to really promote the restoration, help us move forward. We're on all platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Just look up Nashville Steam. It's Steam in the digital age, so we're proud to be as broadcast as much as we can.
Well, we're just so excited about the work y'all are doing here, and we want to see you get this restored and see it pulling train cars all through Nashville, Tennessee, full of kids and tourists and people like me too.
Oh yeah, can't wait.
Slam the boxcar door.